It is the hottest currency in the world, the Bitcoin.
So what is Bitcoin?
Welcome to this short and sweet introduction to Bitcoin, the fully decentralized digital currency that's changing the game of finance since its creation in 2009. With its revolutionary blockchain technology, Bitcoin offers unique opportunities for financial freedom, security, and inclusivity. In this video, we'll explore the basics of Bitcoin and how it works. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. When you send money to someone, whether it's a check or a wire transfer, it goes through a third party, like a bank or a payment processor. This third party acts as an intermediary, verifying the transaction and making sure everything is legitimate. With Bitcoin, there is no third party. Instead, transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called the blockchain. The blockchain is like a digital notebook where all Bitcoin transactions are recorded. Each page of the notebook is called a block, and it contains a list of transactions. When a new page is added, it's checked and verified by a network, making it permanent and unchangeable. The network is maintained by many different computers all over the world, and no single person or group is in charge of it, making it very secure and reliable. This creates a permanent record of all Bitcoin transactions that can't be changed, like a permanent history book. The process of adding new blocks to the blockchain is called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, they are rewarded with Bitcoin. This process ensures that the blockchain is always up to date and that everyone on the network has a copy of the most recent version of the blockchain. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it ideal for use in places with unstable governments or economies, where traditional currencies may not be reliable. The blockchain, which is a public ledger, makes it almost impossible for anyone to counterfeit or double-spend Bitcoin. Transactions recorded on the blockchain are secure and private, as personal information is not required. Bitcoin provides an opportunity for financial inclusivity and freedom to those without access to traditional banking systems. As a global currency, it allows for borderless transactions, not tied to any country or government. Bitcoin is changing the way we think about money and finance. It's still in its early stages, but the possibilities are endless. Who knows what the future holds for this revolutionary technology? The blockchain technology that underpins Bitcoin is being applied in a variety of other fields, from supply chain management to voting systems, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct business and exchange value. While understanding Bitcoin and blockchain may seem complex, I hope this video has given you a good foundation. If you're eager to learn more, I've got an in-depth video that delves deeper into the subject available for you to watch right now.